All right, boys and girls, good morning. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. For today's lesson, we're going to be learning math, reading, science, language arts, and social study. So remember from our reading yesterday, we talked about the sack that is fat. Remember, this is the sack that is fat. You're going to color this fat sack. Make sure you use the beautiful colors and please color inside the line. Make it a nice real object when you finish coloring. And right here, we're going to look at a pattern right here. All right, boys and girls, excuse me. We have this sound is being crossed out. Then we have this sound what does it? This is circled. So here, whenever you see a sound what do? You're going to circle it. And this sound is what sound? Then you need to do what? Do you circle this or you cross it out? You're going to cross it out. So I'm going to do one example for you. I have then I have now let's go to the sound k. Are you going to circle across this out? No, you're not going to do it. So all you need to look for is the sound and that's all you need to do. All right, on this part, you're going to match the same sound together. All right, let's go. This sound is a, k. Now you're going to look to the pattern right here. You make sure you match. Let's go. So I am going to match sound with the same sound. I'm going to make sure I connect the dots together. Now that's all you need to do on this part. The second part right here, it has to do with writing. So we have the sound. You trace, then you write. So I'm going to make sure I trace one example for you. Please trace and please make sure you trace on the line. This is then you come to this one. Start from the big dotted line. Then you come right here. This is then over here. This is what you need to do. Now make sure you follow the pattern that you have. And the next sound is you write your sound. And the next sound is E. You make sure you write your E sound. D. F. E. So make sure you copy each sound on the line provided.
All right, boys and girls, for language arts this day, you're going to trace this bus. The bus has broken lines. You need to connect the broken lines together, and when you're done, you're going to color the bus with a color of your choice. Now on this middle part, we have different things in these boxes. We have the fish, the boat, fish, moon, moon, fish, moon. We have moon and we have fish, moon. Now all you need to do is to circle the box that has the fish and the moon only, and then you cross out the rest that does not have a fish and a moon. Remember, you need to circle the box that has a fish and a moon. And on the bottom we have 3 bicycles moving towards the stop sign. There are 1, 2, 3 bicycles going to the stop sign. Now all you need to do is to make sure you color each of the bicycles with different colors. Now remember, I said the bicycles are rolling to the stop sign. Now the first bicycle in line, you're going to color it yellow. The next bicycle in line, you're going to color it blue. And the last bicycle in line, you're going to color it red. Now I need to know if you know what it means for the first, next, and last. The colors are there for you to color. All right, that's all you need to do for this page.
All right, on this page for math, we're going to be doing our addition. Remember, we've been practicing this for a while. All right, let's go. Let's go to read the numbers. 3 plus 4 equal blank. So what you need to do is just to count the line on under each numbers, count it together and write your answer. All right, let's go ahead. This is number 3. I am going to count the 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. With making lines. Number here is 4. Then I'm going to make 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go ahead and count it together to see 3 plus 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equal how many? 7. I'm going to put my 7 right here. So under the box, I'm going to count 7 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all you need to do in every numbers that you see right here. Count the lines under each number, count it together and write your number. All right, on this second part right here, you're going to see the X, circle, line, and triangle. All you need to do is to count the number of objects you can see. I'm going to do this X for you. How many X can you see even without counting? I think I see 2 X's. Now let's count it. 1, 2 to make sure. I have 2 X's right here. That's why I put number 2. Now let's go ahead and do the next part. Here I have numbers that are represented with circles and lines. All you need to do is just to count the object and circle the correct one that match the numbers given. This is number 2. Which circles counted 2? All right, let's see. How many circles is this one? 1. I'm going to cross it out because it is not 2. Let's see. Next one. 1, 2. Does it correspond with this? Yes, this is 2. I am going to circle it. Now let me count the next one to make sure. 1, 2, 3. Is this 2? No, it is 3. So it is not part of our answer. So the same thing applicable to all the rest. 1, 9, and 8. All you need to do is just to count the object that matches the numbers given. Now let's come back to the bottom, which is the last part for today's math. All right, let's see. We have circles and the numbers, just like what we've been doing. So we're going to count the number of circles. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is number 7 on this box? In these boxes, here is 7. So I am going to circle 7. Is this one 7? No, it is number 6. I'm going to cross it out. Is this number 7? No, it is number 5. I am going to cross it out. I only have 7 circles. So the same thing applicable to all the boxes. That's all you need to do right here on this page.
All right, boys and girls, we are still learning about our 5 senses. We have already learned about the taste, feel, and today we're going to be learning about smell. Yes, smell. This is a picture of a nose. You can only use your nose to smell. And there are a lot of things you can smell with your nose. You can smell flowers. You can smell food at home. You can smell anything good. You can also smell anything bad. All right, so once you're done coloring the picture of the nose, you're going to draw pictures of what you can use your nose to smell. Now, I like to smell something from the kitchen, which makes my own tummy to be happy, because when I'm hungry and I smell food, that means I am going to be satisfied. Now, I'm going to draw a pot of soup because I like to take soup. This is my own pot. And then this is the top. And I'm going to put some really smoky things. The smoky things is gonna come right into my nose. That means food is ready for me to eat. Now I like orange. I'm gonna color my pot orange. And then this is what I can use my own nose to smell. You can draw different things. You can draw flowers. You can draw anything you think you can use your nose to smell. And that is all you need to do for this page.
All right, boys and girls, for social study, remember we've been learning choices. We have two types of choices. We have bad choices and we have good choices. Remember, the bad choices goes with what? The red color. And right here I have the face symbols right here. So this is a sad face. The sad face comes with red and it goes to those that doesn't do their work, that doesn't complete their assignment, that tears their book, that make a mess, that doesn't listen to mom and dad. So I believe everybody will not get this kind of face. This is sad face. All you need to do is just to color it red and remind yourself that I am not going to get a sad face. I'm going to get a happy face because I will be listening to mom and dad. I will be listening to the teacher when I resume back to school. I will be following instruction. So if you don't follow instruction, what happened? You get what? A red. That is a sad face. Make sure you color neat and nicely inside the line. So complete the coloring yourself.